And besides that, we will just compare the sizes of different lenses that we have for the Canon 80D which we use. So we have this Sigma 150 to 600 mm lens. Now we have another lens which is the kit lens, 18 to 135 mm lens, and as you can compare the sizes of these lenses, and we also have one prime lens which is 50 mm prime lens. So it is like ultra small because they are fixed focal length lenses. And as you can see, Sigma lens is huge. There were the days when the kit lens 18 to 135 mm lens would feel very heavy, but now that we have the Sigma 150 to 600 mm lens, it is like 10 times heavier than the kit lens. So yeah, it's pretty bulky, huge, but also is a very powerful tool. Now let's compare the sizes of the lens at their maximum focal length. So we have this Sigma lens at its 600 mm focal length, and now we will just check the focal length of the kit lens, which is 135. So as you can see, there is huge difference in the sizes of these lenses at their maximum focal length. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. You can support this travel and exploration YouTube channel by subscribing to it and sharing it with your friends and family. Thanks so much for watching.